Hey guys, welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. I'm standing here today with the Peterbilt, and I got a box in the mail today from a good friend. His name's Kellen, and he's building a beautiful Kenworth K100. Me and him have been talking for, I guess, a couple years now. He'll call me and ask me advice and what I think I should do or where I got a certain part for purple, and we just kind of go back and forth, and he sends me pictures of the progress, and I tell you, man, it is a gorgeous truck. It is absolutely beautiful. Hopefully one day we'll get the chance to put it in purple beside each other, and we'll get to do a tour of it. But he sent me a box of parts today for this thing, and I'm pretty excited about it. So first off, we've got the driver's side reflector for down here that has been missing ever since I owned the truck. So as you can see, these are obsolete. You can't get them anymore. So you gotta find them, and when you find them, they're always completely broken. He was only able to get me the driver's side because I guess the truck that he got it off of, they had taken the cab off of the chassis, and they had set the cab down flat on the ground, and when they did that, it folded these two pieces underneath, and it destroyed this reflector for the passenger side. So I'm still on the hunt for that, but it's old trucks. We got to hunt for the parts. They're not out there anymore. So the next thing he got me, so I had asked Steve, I was texting with Steve Feschek the other night from FSC Trucking, and I asked him, I said, why are the passenger side, the center windshield wiper arms always missing on these trucks? And what he told me is that there's only one motor that runs air motor that runs all three wipers. They all connect on an arm, and as the one motor goes back and forth, it makes them all work. So as the motor wears out, they all get weak and slow. So to compensate for that, you take the center windshield wiper arm off, and that reduces the drag to let the other two that you actually have to have on the truck do their job a little bit better. So mystery solved on that. That is why they're always missing. I've always wondered that, and I'm sure other people have too. So, but yeah, he got me center windshield wiper arm. He actually got me two. So we've got an extra, and that will go on there. Like that eventually, if I can get it in there. There we go. Well, that's a good way to break the rest of the windshield. I didn't, but I mean, it's already broken, but I'm hoping I can save. See, the windshield's broken from here over now. It just started up there, but it's spread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get the windshield back out, and I'm going to get the spare glass cut for the K100 out of what's left. But yeah, so there you have it. It'll now have three windshield wiper arms on it, like it's meant to. That was always the cool thing about these trucks, is the big flat glass and three windshield wipers. I've never seen another vehicle that had three windshield wipers in the front, only the Peterbilt cabover. So pretty excited about that. That is going to be awesome. Of course, I won't, permanently install it until after we get the new windshield in. And he also sent me this awesome shirt in purple, my color. So yeah, Pork Chop Express. It's freaking sweet. Thanks, Kellen. I really appreciate you for everything you've done. I've never had anybody send me anything, any of my people that watch me on my channel, and I think that's really, really cool that you spent the time and the money to go out there and find these parts for me, and I really, really do appreciate that. Alright guys, I just wanted to share a little unboxing of the parts that Kellen found for me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.